Don't go through another month end flying blind. Get productivity enhancing data and reporting that you need, point and click, and illuminate with Coheus Profit Intelligence. I'm going to take you through a couple of use cases. What's ready to close, and is it really ready to close? Show me the bad data before my team underwrites a file or prepares closing packages. And how can I get ad hoc report to cut through the BS with just point and click? You're looking at Coheus operations, and I'm going to jump right into it and click on closing projections. When I do that, I immediately see the closings laid out by week. I'm going to pick just 1 month to look at. And then I can see all the closings, and I can hit the clear to close button. And what that lets me do is see loans that have been cleared to close, but there are some expired locks in those clear to close. So I know I need to do some work on those files to make sure that nothing goes wrong and the loans are relocked. I can also look at the credit box, sort it by FICO, LTV, DTI, just to go through and get a sense of what's in the pipeline. Once I'm finished with that, I can go in and look at the purchase business and immediately go just to the purchase side. Next thing I can do is go to current status. This shows me everything in Encompass. I'm going to focus in on conditional approval. Using some of the associative capabilities of Coheus, I'm now going to look at the detail. One click into the detail, and I can immediately see there's some loans with LTVs of 113%. That just can't be right. And to be able to go through and sort everything by branch, see what's in the pipeline, and take a look at anything for further review. In this case, I've selected branch 31. I can also do ad hoc reporting. What this allows me to do is to go through and simply begin by clicking on loan number, other things like branch, loan officer, other details. And what this does is let me build a report that I can go through and query. In this case, I'm looking at all the DTIs that are incorrect, so I can go through and help my team to clean that up before it gets too far and make sure that anything going to underwriting is actually ready to go. In this case, I clicked on branch 144, so now I'm looking at all the issues in branch 144. If I want to go to the branch manager and just send this report to him and say, hey, please clean this stuff up, I can go export it into Excel, and now I have it ready to go from Encompass to Coheus to Excel, literally just one click. There's over 21 pre-configured screens in Coheus operations ready to serve you with the data you need and to cut through the BS. Best of all, Coheus in 48 hours.